Huff here, and it's cold outside, but I'm teaching my class how to make refrigerator pickles because it's cold outside. So I don't need a refrigerator in my classroom for them to keep these chilled till they take it home. I'm just gonna keep it outside and in a bag. But this is a really fun activity to do with kids to help teach them about food preservation, a little bit of a science experiment, and it's just fun. So I have a lot of cucumbers, just in case some of the kids want to try. I have some pickling spices, some salt. I bought some sugar. I got the cane sugar here, and use distilled water because sometimes if it's like a tap water or even some of those spring waters have minerals in them. So this is going to be as pure water as you can get. Have some little jars. Kids have brought their jars. They clean them, but I'm going to clean them again with really, really hot water just to make sure that they're sanitary. And I have a jug of vinegar. So those are basically the essentials I need to make two different kinds of pickles. So we're going to have obviously sweet pickles with sugar and then the regular vinegary pickles. And if they wanted to do pickling spices. So I've washed our jars. You can see we have different kinds of lids here. And I'm gonna do a little bit of rubbing alcohol in them just to make sure they're sanitized. I'm gonna do it now because I have maybe about an hour before the kids get here. That's more than enough time to make sure they dry out completely and they are sterilized. And I also have some big jars. So I can make a bigger batch if need be. You really, for these, because they're refrigerated pickles, you can use any size jar, any type of jar too, as long as you've cleaned it and sanitized and is like a food safe jar. Like these all had food in them. None of them had any of my arts and crafts or dirt or any inedible substances.